Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the same procedure to get into safe mode for Windows 10. It's very similar, but it has just a little bit of changes, but it's almost the same thing. Anybody following the Windows 11 probably could have found the same safe mode for Windows 10, but I thought that a specific Windows 10 in the title would be nice, because if you're searching for Windows 10 safe mode, you'll get to the correct video right away. So, of course, to get into safe mode, you have to get to the advanced menu, and the same thing applies for Windows 10. That means you locate the Shift key on the bottom left of your keyboard. Okay, Shift key. When you have the Shift key on the bottom left of your keyboard, when you click the Restart, you have to be holding the Shift key, click the Restart. Once that is done in Windows 10, you'll get here. Now, this is a little different, but still similar. What you're going to choose is Troubleshoot. This is the first option you want to have in Windows 10. You click Troubleshoot, you'll be sent to this menu, Reset the PC or Advanced Options. You will choose Advanced Options. Once you're in Advanced Options, you will choose Startup Settings. So these steps here are pretty much the same as Windows 11. So set Startup Settings. Then you'll be asked to restart because you want to go into safe mode or any other, there's debugging mode and so on. So safe mode is in here. So you restart and you'll get here. This is going to show you this option. Same option as the other one. Safe mode with networking to get access to a network and internet. Safe mode with command prompt if you want to have just the command prompt for commands that you can issue. So this is how it works. And after that, you will actually be in safe mode. So you got to choose number 4 or F4. It's going to work also. You can use the number key or the F keys. I use the number keys, 4 for safe mode, or depending if you want it with networking command prompt, 5 or 6. And you'll be in safe mode like this afterwards. So that's the procedure for Windows 10, which is very similar. There's a little bit of a difference in the beginning, but it's quite similar in general. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.